If your student organization's flyers look like 3 different people made them, it's because they did. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Adobe Express brand kit to lock in your logo, colors, and fonts so that every poster, Instagram post, and slide looks consistent in minutes. A brand kit is basically a toolbox. Your official logos, colors, and fonts should all be set in. And once you apply your style to any template, instantly, there won't be any inconsistencies that you can see in these flyers. First thing that I'm going to do to create a brand kit is go back to my homepage and look for the brands on the left sidebar and just click on it. Here we can create our own brand. Right now, I'm going to create one for my own to share with my own club members. So I'm gonna hit create and I'm gonna do manual setup. I'm gonna name it my club organization. And here is where we can start uploading our style. The first thing that I'm gonna do is upload our logo. So I'm going to upload by hitting upload logos and going to where I saved them. Once I uploaded that, on the right hand side, it popped up already that says create color palette and it says based on your logo. So here it extracted the pink and the black and the grays. So I'm just gonna hit create palette. And that's important because it locks in the colors that need to be consistent in our organization. I'm gonna add some more logos. That way we have options where if they only wanna use a certain part of the logo, they can only use a certain part, but it's still consistent. And now I'm gonna go to set brand colors. And here we have the ones that it generated. For now, I'm gonna stick with this basic one and I'm gonna hit primary. And then for this one, I'm gonna hit secondary. If you want to create your own palette, you can hit add and go to color palette. And if you have colors already in mind, you can get the hex code and just input it in here and it will snap to that. The next thing that we're gonna do is choose brand fonts. And we're gonna keep it simple, because when I look at these posters, they have different fonts and it is not consistent. I'm gonna choose a heading font, and for my header, I'm gonna make it bold. So now I have my header and body text, I have my logos popped in, and now we're just gonna go and create a poster with this. Starting off, I'm just gonna hit create new, and I'm gonna go to templates and I'm gonna pick any one. So I like this template. I'm gonna go to the brand kit icon and click on it. I'm gonna click on the one that we just created and I'm gonna hit apply brand. So automatically it changed the fonts to the font that we set, and it updated the colors to our color palette. The only thing would be some of these graphics that I do need to change out myself. I've uploaded my logo and now I'm just gonna pop in what we need. We now have our logos popped in, the colors are consistent. So now my club organization members can use our brand kit and apply it at the beginning or even the end of their own poster making, and it can all be consistent. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.